it's me, Scared Guys First One here. So I'm gonna sing two songs. I'm gonna do Waterfalls and Human Nature. The first song out of those two I'm gonna do is Human Nature. So I hope you like it. Looking out across the nighttime, city winks sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window. Sweet seducing sighs take me out into the nighttime. These four walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? And I live in this way, and I love in this way. Looking out across the morning, where the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out to touch your shoulder, dreaming of the streets. If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way, I like loving this way. Okay, the next song is Waterfalls. Lonely mother gazing out of her window, staring at a sun that she just can't touch. If any time he's in a jam, she'll be right by his side. He doesn't realize how he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gut. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious had a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving and this that his body can't handle. But he says, baby, it's good to me. And don't. One day he goes and takes a glance in the mirror. But he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is failing and he doesn't know why. 3 letters taken to his final resting place. Yeah, you don't hear me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you gotta have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Now, here comes the rap. Come on. I see a rainbow. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms. Have you come and gone? Leave it in a chance for none to go God-given array. It's because my life is 10 shades of grey. I pray all 10 fades away. Seldom present him for the summer days, and I like his promises. It's true, only my face can undo. The main chances is blow to bring me my life to a new clear blue and unconsciously sky. Have dared the tears from my eyes. No lonely cries. My only bleeding of hopes is a folk who for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps in pouring rain. Who's to blame for the tunes cares into your own veins? What's a shame? You shoot the aim for someone else's brain. You came insane, and my name's there day and time for falling and pray to crime. I said the signs got my victims to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless, a sprain. It hopes you to come true. Believe in yourself. The rest's up to you and me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way, nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Yeah. Bye.